To fix a non-working water heater igniter, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue, which is often a loose connection or a damaged igniter and flame sensor. The first step is to check for loose connections by disconnecting the power and gas supply to the heater and verifying that all wires are properly connected. If any connections are loose, tighten them before restoring power and gas to the heater, and then check if the problem persists. If the issue remains, replacing the igniter and flame sensor is necessary. This involves disconnecting the gas and power supply, removing the burner cover, and detaching the burner tube, igniter, and sensor wires from the control valve. The vapor sensor must also be disconnected, and the burner assembly removed. The igniter and flame sensor can then be detached, and the burner tube released. After replacing the burner cover's insulation, the burner tube can be reinserted, and the new igniter and flame sensor aligned and secured with mounting screws. The wires can then be reconnected to the vapor sensor, and the burner assembly reinstalled in the tank. Finally, the cover can be secured, and the burner tube, igniter, and sensor wires reconnected to the control valve. Once power and gas are restored, the heater can be tested to ensure the problem has been resolved. By following these steps, a non-working water heater igniter can be effectively fixed.